Collapsible Tasks View. You will be able to visualize and manage projects in a faster, clearer, and more orderly way. The access to this view depends on the permissions granted for the project. If a user has access to the project's task, he will be able to access the collapsible view and visualize all the tasks, his team's tasks, or only his tasks. Within each project, we have the Collapsible Task View, a new list of tasks and subtasks organized hierarchically in family trees. It is also possible to apply multiple select filters and sort tasks by different criteria. Task arrangement and sorting criteria. Below each parent task is the breakdown of its subtasks. You can collapse and expand them by clicking on the drop-down button. You will find up to 20 tasks per page, and they will be displayed in hierarchical order by default, subtasks. To change the sorting, click on the menu and choose according to the criteria you wish: status, title, priority, among others. You will also be able to change, within the given criteria, the ascending or descending order. Components. Categories. If you want to differentiate the tasks by associated categories, just click on the ones you want. The tasks must have their task type assigned in order to correspond to a category. If you want to remove the filters by category, click again on each one.
Task counters. These will be displayed on the right-hand side of the panel, showing the total number of tasks associated with the project and the total estimated hours to complete them. By clicking on the center icon, you can export the tasks list, while the colored squares show the total number of tasks divided into their status: new, in progress, in review, corrections, on hold, or finished.
These counters are dynamic, so every time you apply a sorting criterion or select a category or filter, the data displayed will be modified. Finally, at the bottom of the screen, you will find a component for creating a new task. There, you can type the name of the task and click Enter to create it. It will appear at the bottom of the list that is displayed. Filters. Below the project categories, you will find the filters that you can apply depending on what is needed to find the tasks you want. To remove the filters, click on the trash can icon. Project Module. In this module, you will be able to display the list of tasks and subtasks associated to a particular project without the need to enter it. You will also be able to collapse the project view by clicking on the drop-down button. Use cases. Case A. Supposing you are a project manager and you need to see all the tasks that one of your collaborators has pending. You can go to Filters, Collaborator, and search by name. Once you have these tasks filtered, you can sort them by ascending or descending priority as needed. Case B. If you are a collaborator in a project and you want to know how many hours you have left to work, you may check by heading to Filters and search for your name in the Collaborator option. Once the tasks have been filtered, you will be able to see in the tracker the remaining amount of estimated hours. Case C. If you are a project manager and you want to archive all completed tasks, apply the Finished status filter and the PM filter with your name. Now you will be able to select them all and click on the archive icon.